Everybody shouting to the moon. To the moon, to the moon. We're going to the moon, to the moon.
Good morning mga kamartlemas! Kumusta ang biyernes nyo? Grabe ang takbo ng market kahapon. Pagkatapos ng ilang araw ng katahimikan, naging choppy uli ang tubig. So ngayon, Setyembre 26, anong dapat nating bantayan? Let's dive in. Una, ang big news galing US. Lumabas ang latest initial jobless claims at bumaba ito sa 218,000, mas mababa sa expectations. Ibig sabihin, kahit unti-unting lumalamig, matatag pa rin ang labor market. Para sa Fed, baka ibig sabihin nito, they can take their time cutting rates. Samantala, sa atin dito, ang USD/PHP ay nasa 58 piso at 18 sentimo. Good news ito para sa OFW families, pero dagdag bigat sa gasolina, gadgets at imported goods. Noong Thursday, Setyembre 25, Wall Street took a breather. S&P 500 at Nasdaq parehong bumaba ng halos minus 0.5%, habang Dow halos flat lang sa minus 0.2%. Hindi ito panic selling, more on profit-taking at pag-iingat. Para bang chess game. Investors waiting for the next move, which is inflation data. Kahit pula ang karamihan, lumipat ang pera sa defensive sectors tulad ng utilities at consumer staples. Halimbawa, Procter & Gamble, Safeguard Tide, at Duke Energy. Classic flight to safety play. The market is caught between fear of higher for longer rates at hope for a soft landing. Kaya wait and see ang lahat. Mamayang gabi, lalabas ang US PCE Price Index, the Fed's favorite inflation gauge. Mainit na numero equals possible sell-off. Malamig na numero equals possible rally. Mga kamartlemas, sa ganitong choppy waters, time ba to buy the dip o mas mabuting maghintay muna? Comment below. At tandaan, every morning 2 minutes lang and you'll always be one step ahead sa market.